Good morning, dear students. In our previous class, we were discussing from your grammar book tense. Chapter 5 tenses, the present tense. We discussed exercise question number A, B, C, D, E. 5 questions we have discussed yesterday. Today we are going to discuss the rest questions of this exercise. F number. Fill in each blank with the present perfect or present perfect continuous tense of the verb given in the brackets. We have to fill either present perfect tense or present perfect continuous tense. We know that present perfect used for some action event which has just finished, completed, and present perfect continuous used for some actions, events which is still going on, started in past and still going on. So let's see the answer. First number, John dash on the laptop since 6 o'clock. The answer will be work is now also continue. So answer will be present perfect continuous. Present perfect means have has V3. Present perfect continuous means have been has been ing verb. So work is still continue. So we will use present perfect continuous tense. John has been playing. First number, has been playing. Second number, John and his family dash India for 3 weeks. Yes, still they are traveling in India. Traveling work is still going on. So present perfect continuous. John and his family have been traveling. Have been traveling. Third number, John and his family dash 4 different states so far. So far. Here, present perfect. So far they have visited. Third number, have visited. Have visited. Fourth number, why are your hairs all wet? Oh. I dash. I have been swimming. Fourth number, I have been swimming. 5 number, I dash the guitar for 2 hours and I am very tired. Yes, the work is still going on. And also in this sentence we can use present perfect. Work just finished, so he is feeling tired. So 5 number, present perfect or present perfect continuous, both possible. Have practiced or have been practicing, both is correct. 6 number, Devanand. Devanand is an evergreen actor. He dashed in a number of famous films. He has acted. 7 number, mom dash all morning and she is covered in sweat. Mom has been cooking. 8 number, the cooking is finished. Oh, finished, present perfect. Mom has made. G number, fill in the blanks with correct present perfect or present perfect continuous form of the verb in the brackets. The first one is done for you. Same question, present perfect or present perfect continuous. First is done. I dash all day and most of the night. I have been working all day. I have been working all day and most of the night. I have been working all day and most of the night. I have been doing it. My way and I have got is all right. Second number, I dash many days and lots of the nights. Answer will be, I have been traveling. Many days and lots of the nights. I have gone to Mumbai and have seen great sights. Third number, I dash all day and most of the night. I have been painting. All day and most of the nights. I have painted a Sunday and I have colored it white. 4 number, all day. The first question is made the same way we have to make all the questions. 4 number, I have been playing all day and most of the night. I have played tennis with Ray and I have flown a big kite. Last 8 number question, fill in the blanks with the correct present perfect or present perfect continuous form of the verb in the brackets. Yes, you all listen carefully. I am going to speak the answer. Present perfect or present perfect, same question. Have has been 3 or have been ing for. Professor Brain Timer has been working on a time machine for many years now. He has tried. No, he has been trying. Still he is. Right now also he is trying. He has been trying to prove that time travel is possible, but so far has not been successful. For some time now, he and his wife has been experimenting with different types of energy for the machines such as gas, petrol and electricity, but so far So far. After so far already we use present perfect, but so far nothing has worked. Has worked recently. After so already so far recently we use present perfect. Recently the professor has considered the possibility of using solar power, and he has set up a laboratory in the middle of the Thar desert. But sadly, he and his wife still, present perfect, have not solved the problem. Many people have dreamed about time travel, and some people like H.G. Wells has written books about it, but it is just a dream. Yes, we have gone. We have gone back and forth to the moon for over 40 years. Also, present perfect continuous possible have been going. We have been going back and forth to the moon for over 40 years, and have managed we have managed to explore Mars and outer space. But I think time travel is just a dream. What do you think? So students, exercise complete. Thank you.